morning, guys. Our next class today, we're going to show the Mayan numeral system. Remember that the Mayan was a civilization established in Honduras. Okay, this is the Mayan civilization that we have here in Honduras. Okay, so remember, they present some system that we use in mathematics. They use in mathematics. So we're going to review, we're going to learn about the numeral system of the Mayas, okay? So right now we're going to present the chart that I have it for today, okay? So remember, we are so the Mayan numeral system, okay? The Mayan numeral system that they established here in their civilization. Okay, so the Mayan numeral system, okay? So the Mayan numeral system was the system to represent numbers and calendar days in the Mayan civilization. Okay, remember that they established the numeral system to establish their numbers and calendar days in their Maya civilization. Okay, so they base their system in 20 systems, also called the vigesimal system. They represent with dots and bars. Okay, so I'm going to explain more about the dots and the bars. Okay, they represent the dots with a point. Look here, look at the board. They represent the dots with a point. And they represent like a bar. Okay, what they have here? The dots, okay, represent 1 unit, okay? And the bars represent 5 units, okay? So, you're going to ask me, Miss, but how they can write number 0? Okay, number 0, they represent by a shell. Okay, if you see on the numbers of the Maya civilization, you're going to see the shell. So remember that the shell is going to be represented by number 0. Okay, number 0. And the dots is going to be 1 unit, and the bar is going to be 5 units. But remember, they base their system in 20. Okay, I'm going to explain later how it's going to be the system by 20 system. Okay, so right now we're going to show the numbers of the Maya system. Okay, so here we have number 0. Look, here we have the shell. Number 1, we have a dot. Remember that the unit is 1. Number 2, we're going to have 2 dots. Number 3, we're going to have 3 dots. Number 4, 4 dots. Number 5 is going to be like a bar. Remember that the bar is 5 units. So number 6 is going to be a bar and a dot. Number 7, 2 dots and a bar. Number 8, 3 dots and a bar. Number 9, 4 dots and a bar. Now we're going to continue with number 10. Remember, it's going to be 2 bars because each bar is 5 units. Number 11, 2 bar, 1 unit. Number 12, 2 dots, 2 bar. Number 13, 3 dots, 2 bar. Number 14, 4 dots, 2 bar. Number 15, we're going to have 3 bars, okay? So, like this is going to be number 16. Remember that we have to put 1 dot, 3 bars. Now, 20, look 20. We have a dot, okay, and a shell, okay? You're going to tell me, but I don't understand. You say me that a dot is represented 1 unit. No. Later, I can just explain that they have the system on the 20 system, the vigesimal that we saw right now. So, here we have 1 dot and the shell, okay? And 29, look 29 here, we have 1 dot, 4 dots and a bar. Okay, right now I'm going to explain how it's going to be this one. Okay, so I'm sorry guys. So have a system, okay? They have a system, okay, that is dividing in 3 parts, okay? So they divide it in 3 parts, okay? So in the first level, I can just explain quick. In the first level, they have numbers. They are going to represent numbers 0 to 19. Okay, remember, in the first level, they're going to have 0 to 19. Okay, so in the second level, they're going to count 20. Each dot is going to be 20. Okay, 20. Okay, and then they have potentials to 20 over 2. Okay, 20 potential 2. Okay, 20 potential 2. Okay, so now I'm going to explain why 20 is a dot and a shell. Because they have here, look here, I have the 2 letters. Okay, here is 0, 19. So how many in here is 20? So one dot is going to be 20. So I only have to write here 1 dot, and remember that the 0 is going to be 0. So I'm going to draw the shell. To represent my number 0. Look, and here I have in the numeral system Mayas, I have number 20. Look, number 20. Now you're going to tell me, how can I write number 100? Okay, 100. Okay, so I'm going to make the same here. Look, in the numeral system, okay? In the numeral system, I have here. We're going to divide. Okay, so if here we have 20, okay, so I'm going to multiply. Okay, maybe I don't have to put 10 dots. No, because it's going to be 2,000. Okay, so I'm going to write here a line. Look, a line. Okay, I'm going to put a line here. Okay, I'm going to add a line here. Okay, a line. And I'm going to draw a shawl. Okay, why a line, miss? Why I don't put a dot? Okay, remember that a line is going to be 5. So 5 times 20 is going to be 100. So in the numeral system, we're going to have the line that is going to be 100, because if we multiply 5 times 20, it's going to be 100. So here is 100. Okay, so I'm going to be the last number, okay? I'm going to be the last number. If I have a 88, okay, 88, okay, I'm going to be here 88. So remember, okay, we have a 2 system here, 2 levels, the 0 to 19, 20, okay, each dot and 20. Okay, if I have 88, how many dots are going to have here? 20, 40, 60, 80. Look, 80, okay? I have here 80, because I have here 40, 60, 80. Okay, so I'm going to make here a line, okay, a line, and I'm going to put here 3 dots, okay? Why 3 dots? Because I have here 80 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. I have the number 80. Okay? So we can play with different numbers in the Mayan numeral system. But remember, we have the 3 levels. They use the 20 system of decimal that they call in 0 to 19, 20, and 20 to potential 2. Okay? So, this was the system of the Mayan numeral system. Okay? Remember to practice on class, and we see you in the next class. Okay? Nice to meet you guys, and we see you to the next class. Bye guys, see you.